Good day everyone. Our lesson for today is all about equation of a circle with example, standard form, and general form. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your classmates and friends and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, you can find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section, and finally, please don't skip the ads in this video. Thanks, and now let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about the equation of a circle, both standard form and general form. Standard form of the equation of a circle. So the equation of a circle with the radius r and with point hk, that's the vertex. Yung hk, yun yung center ng circle, as its the center is quantity x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. To prove that, we use the distance formula to find the CP, or the equation of the circle. Okay, CP is equal to square root of quantity x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. Okay, so this is a distance formula. So because CP is equal to the radius of the circle, so R, it will become the R equals square root of x minus h squared plus y minus, this is minus, k squared. Squared both sides, so magiging r squared equals x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. Kaya naging ganun yung equation ng ating circle. And this one is what we call the standard form of the equation of the circle. The value of h and k indicates that the circle is translated h units horizontally and k units vertically from the origin. So, of course, alam naman natin that k represents the y and h represent the x. That's why horizontally and vertical from the origin. If the center of the circle is at the origin, therefore the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. The general form of a circle is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. So ito naman yung general form niya, okay, of the equation of the circle. Now, where d, e, and f are real numbers, therefore, the equation is obtained by the expanding the standard equation of the circle. So, pag in-expand mo yan, ang makukuha mo ay ito. So, hindi ko na pahabain yung discussion about that, okay? So, ito yung standard form, general form na nakuha natin using the standard form. Example, write the equation of the circle with center at the origin and a radius of 7. So since ang center niya is at the origin, therefore x and y is equal to 0, 0. So ganito sila. That is 0 and 0. Okay? Then, therefore, kung 0 yan, yung h and k, so yung matitira na lang is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. If r is equal to 7, that's 7 squared. So 7 squared is 49. Therefore, the equation of the circle, or the standard form of the equation of the circle, is x squared plus y squared equals 49. Another example. Example number 2. Let's say, okay, write the equation of the circle with the center of 3 and 6, which is the h and the k, and the radius of 8 units. So x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So h is 3, so we have x minus 3 squared plus y minus k is 6, so we have 6 squared equals 8 squared. Therefore, we have this one. Since equation lang naman ang pinapahanap, so ito na yung answer natin. Kapag inansaran mo yan, sinagutan mo yan, halimbawa x minus 3 squared tsaka y minus 6 squared, ang patutunguhan mo is yung general form na x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f. Okay, so example number 3. Find the equation of a circle with a center of negative 4 and 5 and the radius is 11 units. Yan. 11 units yung radius niya. So again, we have, okay, negative 4 for the h, and then negative 5 for the k, equals 11. Since negative, negative yan, so magiging positive. And then y minus 5 squared equals 11 squared is 121. Again, this is the standard form of the equation of the circle. Okay? So I hope malinaw yung bagay na yon. Okay, number 4. Write the equation of the circle with the diameter whose endpoints 4, 2, and 6, 6. So dito sa ating given, ang endpoints ng diameter ng circle is 4, 2, and 6, 6. So, kung ito yung circle at meron siyang diameter, yung point dito is 4, 2. Yung point dito is 6, 6. So, hanapin natin gitna. Para mahanap yung gitna, we will use the midpoint formula. So, find the midpoint of the diameter, which is the center of the circle. By using the midpoint formula, we have x sub 1 plus x sub 2 over 2, comma, y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2. So we have x sub 1, which is 4, and x sub 2, which is 6. So 4 plus 6 is 10, divide 2 is 5. So we have y sub 1, 2, and y sub 2, 6. So we have 2 plus 6, 8, divide 2, 4. So the center is 5 and 4. Pero hindi pa tayo tapos doon because we're looking for the equation of the circle. So find the radius using the distance formula. So using the distance formula now, we will look for the radius of this. Gaano daw siya kahaba. So the distance formula is starting with c, kasi nga radius lang hinahanap natin, hindi yung diameter. So the distance formula is 5, 4, and 0.42. So dito yung pinili niya, hindi yung 6, 6, 4, 2. So 5, 4, and 4, 2. So d equals square root of x squared minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. This is the distance formula, no? If you still remember in our previous video. So we just substitute the given to the formula. So it's up to you which is your x sub 1 and which is your x sub 2. So 5 minus 4 squared plus 4 minus 2 squared, no? So 5 for the x sub 2, and then negative 4, 4 for the x sub 1, 4 for the y sub 2, and 2 for the y sub 1. So we have 5 minus 4 is 1, and 4 minus 2 is 2. Get this squared, so we have 1 plus 4 square root of 5. So since the center is 5 and 4 and the radius is square root of 5, so we can have now the equation of the circle, which is actually the standard form. So we have x minus 5 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals square root of 5. Getting the square root of 5 squared, okay, cancel mo yan, so matitira 5. That's why the equation or the standard equation of the circle is quantity x minus 5 squared plus quantity y minus 4 squared equals 5. Okay, next. Transform the equation of a circle into center radius form. So, in short, gagawin natin siyang standard form from general form. So, this one is a general form. To do this, ang gagawin lang natin is that we will combine this x squared and 10 squared, 10x. So, we have x squared plus 10x plus blank plus y squared plus 8y. Ito, kukunin ko naman ito. Plus blank equals, ililipat ko yung 16, so magiging negative 16. Next, ang gagawin lang natin, ganito lang siya kasimple. Hindi na tayo pupunta dito. Pero completing the square pa rin siya. 10, yung 10, i-divide ko ng 2. 10 divide 2 is 5. 5 squared is 25. So, ito na yan. And then, next one. 8 divide 2 is 4. 4 squared is 16. So, hindi ko na ginawa itong step na to at saka itong step na to. Ulitin ko. 10 divide 2 is 5. 5 squared is 25. 8 divide 2 is 4. 4 squared is 16. Equals, yung 25 at 16, kukunin ko yung opposite sign. Kukunin ko sila, I'm sorry. So, magiging plus 25 at saka plus 15 din. So, this is what we call the addition property of equality. So, kung anong ginawa mo dito, yun din yung lalagay mo doon. So, we have 25 plus 16 minus 16. So, ika-cancel na natin itong dalawang 16 because they are equal to 0. Matitira is 25. Now, what is the factor of x squared plus 10x plus 25? And that is x plus 5 squared. Tama? How about y squared plus 8y plus 16? That is y plus 4 squared. Okay? So, kukunin mo yung y, isang y, and then what is the square root of 16? 4, and then maglalagay ka ng 2. Kukunin mo yung x, what is the square root of 25? 5, then maglalagay ka ng 2. So, in short, this is the standard form of the equation of the circle with this from general form. Okay, so this is the general form, and this is the standard form. So, what is the vertex? The vertex is negative 5 and negative 4. Kung kukunin mo yan, that's negative. Opposite kasi yung sign eh. So, we have negative 5 and negative 4. That's the center of the circle with a radius of 5. Diba? That's radius of 5 kasi that's r squared. Diba? So what is the square root of 25? That's 5. So that's all about the equation of a circle using standard form and general form with examples. With that, thank you very much for your listening.